Wolves often choose tactical times to attack, usually at night when darkness covers all events. This makes it impossible for farm owners to directly confront the ferocious wolves. Wolves do not discriminate between the types of livestock they attack. From cattle, sheep, and goats to horses, pigs, and chickens, all species are potential targets. However, livestock such as sheep, goats, and pigs often suffer the most damage at the hands of ruthless wolves. Wolves, with their superior hunting skills and the danger they pose, are becoming a serious threat to the livestock industry worldwide. In the United States, where wolves are widely distributed, wolf attacks frequently occur in the western states, where there are many wilderness areas and livestock farms. Wolves, with their strength and agility, serve as a clear reminder of the delicate balance between humans and nature. They pose a significant threat as carriers of numerous pathogens that can be transmitted from wild animals to humans and pets. One of the main reasons wolves have become the most dangerous invasive species in the world is because humans have released them. Initially kept as companions and pets for families, wolves were eventually abandoned and left to revert to their wild instincts when they no longer received care and attention from humans. Wolves possess a high adaptability to new habitats and can thrive in various environments, from deep forests and grasslands to barren deserts and rugged mountains. This adaptability, once they become wild, poses a threat to native species living in those areas. These solutions have been effective in preventing the spread of invasive wolf populations. Do you believe there are better solutions? If so, please share your opinions below. Don't forget to share and like to support our channel with upcoming videos. And lastly, remember to share this video with your friends so they can watch. More than $10 million is lost each year due to wild boar invasions in Australian cities. Among these, the most serious issue is wild boars polluting the environment, with dirty water and foul-smelling waste directly affecting people's health and quality of life. At the same time, residents have become familiar with the sight of wild boars invading, searching for food during the day and night. In their search for more food sources, invasive wild boars have approached densely populated areas. In Melbourne, a herd of wild boars consisting of 5 to 10 adults and piglets often wanders on the streets. The appearance of wild boars also attracts people's attention and curiosity. Many people have the habit of taking photos, causing the wild boars to panic and run away. While fleeing, they can attack humans and collide with vehicles on the road. In case of seeing a herd of wild boars on the street, people should immediately contact the authorities to ensure their own safety and that of the community. As the invasion of wild boars is increasing, the Australian government has announced plans to educate people in these areas to be aware of and implement safety measures. In Melbourne, with over 200 homes attacked in the past 6 months, the Australian government needs to take measures to deal with this harmful invasive species to ensure the safety of people in the area. The Australian government has just organised a wild boar hunting competition as a measure to control the increase in wild boar numbers, which are causing significant damage to the environment in the city. The competition usually takes place when the natural food sources for wild boars are scarce, forcing them to search for food. In wild boar hunting competitions, smooth coordination among team members helps increase efficiency and the chance of achieving the goals. Additionally, experienced hunters participating in these competitions aim and shoot accurately, primarily targeting the wild boar's neck and calves. According to hunters in the competition, they encountered a herd of newly born wild boars consisting of 3 to 5 animals. However, according to the animal welfare policy, hunters are not allowed to harm pregnant wild boars and young boars. This is a humane action towards animals. Some groups of hunters, when hunting in areas far from the competition venue, transport the wild boars down the mountain by carrying them on their backs. Hunters should be cautious when moving down the mountain due to steep and rugged terrain. This is a competition to determine the winning team. Organizers will bring wild boars back to ascertain the victor. They will use hanging scales to measure the boar's body weights. Wild boars often inhabit flatlands where they can find plenty of grass, grains, and crops. The western part of Texas is mountainous, while the southern and southeastern parts are desert areas where wild boars frequently appear. Particularly, East Texas is characterized by wooded areas with various berries, seeds, and other plants. Helicopters can move faster and more flexibly than traditional hunting methods, making it easier to track and shoot wild boars. Wild boars often inhabit remote and hard-to-reach areas, and helicopters can facilitate easier access to these regions for hunters. wild boar hunting campaign in Texas is conducted by a group of local farmers and contractors. The campaign utilizes helicopters to detect and shoot wild boars. Pilots are trained to identify wild boars and use sniper equipment.